Welcome to Module 5, Building and Managing the Bid Team. In this module, we shift our focus to the human engine behind every successful bid, the bid team itself. We will explore how to identify the right talent, clearly define roles and responsibilities, foster effective communication, and manage the inevitable dynamics of a cross-functional group. By the end of this module, you'll have a robust understanding of how to assemble, lead, and motivate your bid team to achieve peak performance and secure winning contracts. Module Objectives. Participants will be able to explore the essential elements of team composition, leadership, communication, and collaboration. We'll understand the key elements of building and managing a high-performing bid team. We'll learn to define and identify necessary skills and expertise for a winning proposal. We'll be able to clearly define roles and responsibilities to ensure accountability and prevent duplication of effort. We'll apply key leadership principles and practical strategies to build and manage a team that consistently delivers exceptional results. Welcome to Lecture 5.1. In the competitive arena of bid management, the proposal document is the most visible output. However, the real engine of success is a well-structured and effectively managed bid team. This module will delve into the critical process of building and managing a high-performing bid team, emphasizing that successful bidding is a team sport. You'll learn how to create a cohesive unit where each member understands their role, contributes their expertise, and works collaboratively toward the common goal of crafting a winning proposal. We'll also explore key leadership principles, drawing upon insights from organizational behavior, team dynamics, and project management to ensure your team thrives under pressure and consistently delivers exceptional results. Beyond the basics, core competencies for bid success. A winning bid team requires more than just subject matter experts. It needs a blend of strategic, managerial, and communication skills. Key competencies include strategic thinking, ability to understand market dynamics, client objectives, and competitive landscape. Project management, skills to plan, organize, and execute complex tasks under tight deadlines. Communication, clear, concise, and persuasive writing and verbal skills. Commercial acumen, understanding of pricing, contracts, and profitability. Problem solving, aptitude for addressing challenges and finding innovative solutions. Collaboration, ability to work effectively across different functions and personalities. Technical prowess, subject matter experts. Subject matter experts are the backbone of your technical solution. They provide the in-depth knowledge required to design and articulate the solution. Engineers, technical leads for solution architecture and technical specifications. Domain specialists, expertise in the client's industry or specific problem areas. Operations, service delivery, insights into how the solution will be implemented and managed post-win. Their deep understanding ensures technical accuracy and credibility in your proposal. Business acumen, commercial, financial, and legal expertise. The commercial viability and legal compliance of your bid are as important as the technical solution. You'll need expertise in pricing strategists to develop competitive and profitable pricing models. Financial analysts for cost modeling, ROI calculations, and financial forecasting. Contract specialists, legal counsel to review terms and conditions, identify risks, and ensure legal compliance. Procurement specialists for understanding the client's procurement processes and requirements. The orchestrator's management and leadership skills. Effective leadership is crucial to guide the bid from start to finish. This involves bid managers, the overall project lead, responsible for strategy, process, and deadlines. Proposal managers, focus on the proposal document itself, structure, content, quality, and compliance. Sales, business development leads, bring client insight, relationship management, and overall win strategy. Executive sponsors provide high-level guidance, strategic alignment, and necessary approvals. Leveraging external expertise and tools. Sometimes, you'll need to look beyond your internal team. This could involve consultants for specialized market intelligence or proposal writing support. Graphic designers to enhance visual appeal and readability. Bid management software, tools for collaboration, content management, and workflow automation. APMP, Association of Proposal Management Professionals Certification, look for certified professionals who adhere to industry best practices. Key takeaways. Identifying the right mix of skills and expertise is the critical first step in building a winning bid team. It's about combining deep subject matter knowledge, with strong project management, communication, and commercial skills. Proactively assessing your needs and leveraging both internal and external resources will set your bid up for success.